Have you ever noticed a Check Emission System warning light on your dashboard and wondered what it means? Today we will demystify this common car issue. The Check Emission System warning is your car's way of telling you that its sensors have detected a problem with the emission system. This system comprises of two main components, the catalytic converter and the exhaust. The catalytic converter uses platinum and palladium to reduce the harmful exhaust gases into less toxic byproducts. Then, the exhaust releases these less harmful byproducts into the atmosphere. However, the warning light doesn't always mean there's an issue with these two components. There are various factors that can trigger the warning. It could be anything from a faulty oxygen sensor to a dirty fuel injector. Understanding the causes behind this warning light is the first step to solving the problem. Now let's delve into the common causes of the Check Emission System warning light. First up, we have faulty oxygen sensors. These little devices are the informants, sending signals to your car's ECU about the oxygen level in the exhaust gas. If the sensor is faulty, it could send incorrect data, leading to an imbalance in the fuel-air mixture. And voila, your warning light may come on. Replacing the sensor is usually a straightforward task, and there are plenty of online resources to guide you if you're a DIY enthusiast. Next in line is the clogged or dirty catalytic converter. This device is like the eco-warrior of your car, converting harmful emissions into less harmful ones. But like any warrior, it can get bogged down by dirt and grime, affecting its performance. A good clean with a quality catalytic converter cleaner can often do the trick. While these are the most common causes, there are other factors that might trigger the warning light. Continuing from where we left off, let's look at more reasons behind the Check Emission System warning. One potential culprit could be dirty fuel injectors. These components spray a fine mist of gas into the combustion chambers, allowing it to mix with air and ignite. If clogged or dirty, they can't deliver the right fuel-air mix, leading to emission issues. If your car seems to misfire, vibrate while idling, or shows an erratic RPM gauge, your fuel injectors might need a clean. Then there's the surprisingly common issue of a bad or open gas cap. Yes, you heard it right. Something as simple as a faulty gas cap can trigger the warning. That's because a loose or damaged cap allows fuel vapors to escape, disrupting the system's ability to control emissions. So, ensure your gas cap is tight and in good condition. Fixing these issues can help ensure a more efficient and environmentally friendly drive. To recap, the Check Emission System warning light is a signal that there's a problem with your car's emission system. It could be due to a few common issues. Faulty oxygen sensors which monitor the amount of oxygen in your exhaust gas could be sending incorrect readings to your engine control unit. Or your catalytic converter, which reduces harmful exhaust gases, might be dirty or clogged. Then there's the possibility that your fuel injectors, responsible for supplying an even amount of fuel to the engine, could be clogged or dirty. And believe it or not, even a faulty or open gas cap can trigger the emission system warning. Addressing these issues promptly is crucial. Not only does it keep your car running smoothly, but it also ensures that you're doing your part in reducing harmful emissions. Remember, maintaining a healthy emission system not only keeps your car running smoothly, but also contributes to a cleaner environment. Drive safe.